How to scan QR code on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily scan QR codes on Roblox. First off, go ahead and open up your application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. So scanning QR codes on Roblox can be a quick and efficient way to add new friends if you're together. So you don't need to hassle around and search for usernames. You can just quickly scan the QR code to add new friends. In order to do that, you first have to land on your home page. Then you'll find your profile name at the top left corner. All you have to do is tap on it, and this pop-up will appear with your profile on your screen. Now from here, what you can do is simply go ahead and tap on the QR icon or the squares that you see right besides the edit profile button, and it will pop out a QR code for your profile. So if someone scans this QR code, they will be able to add you as a friend on Roblox. And if you want to scan others' QR code, you'll find that icon at the top right of your screen. Just tap on it. Now this camera will pop up on your screen, so you can just lift it and scan the QR code, make sure that it fits on the square, and once this QR code is scanned, you should be able to add them as your friend on Roblox. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.